Okay, we're gonna be going down this street, and let me just kind of show you where we're at. We're kind of in this little space where we have these black and white that goes all the way to Pond 16, and actually the typhoon just ended as well. It's gonna do all different directions for us. Actually, a lot of different directions we could go. But I kind of want to share with you this right here because this is part of this typhoon that we had today. I'm going to talk about that, and we're going to walk down and see if we see more of that. And we're going to go down this way. Stay tuned. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, before we go down this way, just take a look at this. So these are all storm guards, so that goes all the way down that way. And then this is for the, in case it goes all up to there. So I guess there were some storm warnings that it could go up to this high. So they have all these, given by the government, they gave out all these floodwater barriers, and they'll put them up, and then they can go all the way up to, there's a little grooves right there for each one, right? So, okay, so it kind of protects this from flooding. We're in a flooding zone, and we've had two massive typhoons this week. Not massive, but they're both category 8. There wasn't much destruction. This stuff would be completely destroyed, and these things too if it was, but it wasn't, so that was a good thing. I like this graffiti. That looks kind of cool. I don't know what this is. There's all these bricks right here. That looks like it could be really amazing. There's something kind of interesting in Macau. Actually, those buckets are pretty amazing too. But yeah, this whole area is in a flood zone. So we had a category 8 all day, and I don't know if it flooded. There were parts of Macau that flooded. I saw some pictures, and I saw some where people were, you know, kind of pretending like they were swimming because the water was deep enough to actually swim. But all that stuff is gone now. So now you can see all the activities in here, and then they got all the storm guards right there as well. All the animations, they got all the fish, and you can hear that table, it's pretty excited. Okay. Looks like they just removed their flood guard right there. There's only one left. That one has 3. So I guess as they heard that it was nothing to worry about, they must have slowly took those down. Yeah, I remember the Hato one. The Hato typhoon was all this was just, there's like rotten vegetables, rotten all kinds of stuff just all up and down the streets. But I don't really see that here. Yeah, actually, since that time, since Hato 2017, that typhoon was unbelievable. I was living here. Yeah, this stuff would have all floated away too. Surprised they didn't protect that more. I guess this area didn't really have flooding. Otherwise, I think we'd see more evidence of it. There's some more flood. So the government, after that one, the government gave out all of those, all of the storm guard. So that's the storm guard right there, floodgate guards. So they gave them out to all the different places. Penchao Sidaji, City Inn. Okay, it's a hotel right there. Some guests as well. Those guests maybe were living in an area that they didn't feel comfortable with, maybe. Yeah, it looks like they had the squeegee out, so they were moving water out. And actually, this area that we're in is usually a spot where there's like a market, like a market street. So yeah, I don't know how much further we're going to go down. We might kind of go in this park a little bit, and also want to just look at the pagoda real quick. You see there's a couple of people, so they got a pagoda, so it's kind of dark to see it, but okay, so that's our street right there. Let's just kind of go into the park a little bit. The park isn't so easy to see at nighttime, but we'll just go in anyways, take a look around. It is nighttime, so it's a little bit hard to see it all. But yeah, that's our street, and there's usually like a night market here, but we had the typhoon today, category 8, so it really wasn't that good of a, you can't really have the market stuff People are kind of hanging out here. And we have that over there. And we're going to keep going down that way in a little bit. We'll just kind of walk through the park a little bit. And we'll just kind of see. Got some beautiful street lights up there. Lanterns. Yeah, those lanterns look real nice. Let me just see. Okay. Looks pretty cool. So we're gonna head back over on our main street. So we're gonna walk down this way and head over this way right here. And we're gonna kind of angle it like this. Show you that right there. So we have this kind of beautiful mural right there. And that store I saw has it has a lot of floodgates. Look at that real quick. So yeah, they had all the floodgates all the way up. So it goes all the way up to that spot. Okay, let's keep on going down. Get some restaurants that are open. Yeah, those were really well protected. So they got gates all the way up 8. So you can see the number right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So walk a little bit further. Yeah, some of them have them and some of them don't. But they were issued by the government after Hado, Typhoon Hado. Some of them are probably taken down already. But usually you can see that they're built into the grooves. So if we don't see them, they're... It's like this one, it has them right here. 8 of them. Oh, I got 9. They're built lower to the ground. Okay, we'll just keep on walking a little bit further. We're gonna come up on this one area that has what do you call that? The vocabulary is gone today. But it's like gentrification. So they have like all this artwork down that way. So let's just kind of take a look real quick. So these houses right here are painted pink, blue, yellow, green, yellow. And then there's a whole street of them over here. So just kind of walk down it a little bit. And then I think this street is kind of getting a little bit long. So we got some restaurants that are open. Rua de Cinco de Outubro. That was, here's some of those colorful buildings as well. And this is always kind of a narrow road to walk down. Some of these places like the Royal Supermarket was probably open for the typhoon. Go down a little bit further. Oh yeah, here's more of those houses, right? So blue, yellow. A little bit hard to see at nighttime. In the daytime it's more colorful. That looks pretty cool, that green one like right there. And I think what we'll do, I was hoping to see some let's go a little bit further and then we'll probably end this video shortly. There's kind of a cool store up here, but last time I always seem to be here at nighttime. I wish I was here in the daytime. It'd be more interesting. Just gonna go a little bit further. The TVs in there, washing machines. Yeah, I always like this building right here. I'll show this to you in a second. Yeah, this building has like pictures of like Marilyn Monroe and these different Hollywood celebrities of yesteryear. It's too bad I can't film it during the daytime. Too bad I haven't been able to film it during the daytime anytime recently. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Got these big sounds, speakers and things like that. Kind of can't help but think there's a bunch of electric guitars. Used to be probably pretty amazing back in the day. Anyways, That's going to be our street. And we'll end it right there.
Toma cuidado la